Okay, children. So we were discussing linear equations. So linear equations. Okay. So yesterday I was telling which exercise is started, which have started 9.4 exercise in Adi Sharma, 9.4 Adi Sharma. So 1 to 12 I completed yesterday. Today we'll start 13th onwards. Okay. We'll try to complete as many sums as possible. Okay. Let's check. First question. So the 13th question is like this, children. 13th question. 13th question is like 5 years ago a man was 7 times as old as his 5 years ago, a man was 7 times as old as his son. Vedant.
Yes.
5 years ago, man was 7 times as old as his son. So, yeah,
So we can take
tell.
we
Because
can take man says just X, father says just
father
X,
and son.
and son.
Son is X, father
His
is
father's X. 5 years ago, father
uh,
X
5 years ago, man was 7 times.
7X.
7 times as old as his son. But this is 5 years ago. But this is
Yes.
5 years ago, not
5
now.
years ago. Yes, sir.
So 5 years ago means how we will take normally.
X minus 5.
See, present. See, normally means see here we'll take suppose if this is x, this is y. 5 years ago means x minus 5 and
5.
y minus 5 will take suppose two equations means man was 7 times as old as his son normally. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now but since this is a linear equation in one variable, we should take everything in one. So one
X.
more equation you want. So what 5 years hence father will be 3 times as old as his son. 5 years hence, 5 years hence, father will be 3 times as old as his son.
Yes, sir.
So how we will take in one variable? That is the question. Find their percentages. Yeah. Yes, Nana. So we should not take two variables here. Only one variable. Here means I am using two variables. You should not use like that. So how we will take means see here. I will say slowly. I will say listen, children. 5 years ago. See here. 5 years ago. Please see here, children. 5 years ago. mm, Father was son's age was X. 5 years ago, son's age was X and father's age was 7X. Am I correct, Vedant? 5 years ago.
Yes, sir.
Now he's saying from now, 5 years hence. So 5 years ago he's X. From
Yes, sir.
now, see, this is
From now,
percentage.
5 years ago, he was X. From
This
now,
is
5 years after, he
5
is
years
X plus
ago.
3.
5 years ago. See,
Yes, sir.
here we got X and 7X.
7X.
But from here, 5 years after means from here it will be
X plus 10.
X plus 10 into
Very
7X
good.
plus 10.
So x plus 10, 7x plus 10. See, from here means 10 years. After 5 years, father will be 3 times. Okay, father, who is father? This is father.
7X plus 10.
Father will be 3 times as old as his son. Father will be 3 times
3
as
times
old as his son.
as this one.
Tell Nana how to do.
3x plus 30 is equal to 7x plus 10.
Okay.
7x, 3x will go there, and then 30 minus 10 is equal to 7x minus 3x.
Okay.
20 is equal to 4x, x
Okay.
is equal to 5.
Okay, x is equal to 5 years. 5 years and father's age will be
7x,
35 years.
years.
This is 5 years ago. But present age how present age ago?
Present age is x plus 5 and 7x plus 5.
5 plus 5, 35 plus 5, that is
10
10
and
and
40.
40 years are present age. This is present age. You understood, Vedant?
Yes, sir.
I took 5 years ago as x and 7x. Then I will get the sum. Okay, children, I hope everyone understood the sum. Next, who is there? Praulika is there?
Yes, sir.
Praulika, can you tell next sum? I will help you. I am currently five times as old as my son. I am means father and son. I am, if son is x, father is in how much, Nana?
5x.
5x, very good, Nana. 5 times as old as my son. In 6 years' time, I will be 3 times. After 6 years. After 6 years means how much?
5x plus 6.
And
X plus
I will be 3 times. 3 times means
into 3.
3 into x plus 6. Can you please tell the solution, Amma?
Yes, sir. 5x plus 6 is equal to 3x plus 18.
Okay, this goes
5x
here.
minus 3x
Father age
equal,
will be 3 into
equal to
5x plus 6, no sir?
No, no, no.
Sir, you
See,
said I am 3 times the son, sir.
wait 1 second. See, 14th question. I am currently 5 times as old as my son. Okay, this is 5 times. In 6 years' time, after 6 years' time, in 6 years' time, I will be 3 times. I will be 3 times. I will be 3 times. It's correct only now.
Okay, sir, I think I
18
got it.
minus 18 minus 6.
Okay, how much?
2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 6.
X is equal to 6 years. So, father say how much?
5x is equal to 30.
30 years. So the present ages of father and son are 30 years and 6 years. You have to write the statement also. Okay. Next, Rishikesh. And Nandika is there. Nandika? No, not there. Rishikesh, you tell. I have 1,000 rupees. Total, I have 1,000 rupees. Some I have 10 rupees and some I have 5 rupees. Some I have 10 rupees, some I have 5 rupees. If the number of 10 rupees notes is 10 more than 5 rupees notes. Can you tell me? If this is X,
If 5 rupees coins are x and 10 rupee coins are x plus 10
very good. More at plus times means into. More means plus we should do. Times means into.
into
Okay, and 10 more than 5. Then how many notes do I have each? Why? So
x plus
10
sorry
into
10 into x plus 10
plus.
plus 5 into x is equals to 1000.
Okay.
10x plus 100 is sorry plus 5x is equals to 1000.
Okay.
15x plus 100 sorry 15x is equals to 900. X is equals to 900 by 15, which is 40. X is
X is equal
40.
to I think is 15
40
6
40
60 60 60 65 rupees are there and
Yes,
60 plus
60
10
plus 10 is equals to
70
70
10 rupees notes are there.
coins. Yes,
Okay, Nana? Yeah, next.
yes.
Raghuram, at a party, coins, squash, and fruit jars were. Raghuram,
Yes, sir.
they were offering some different types of juices. Some coins, it seems, squash, it seems, fruit juice were offered to guests. Okay, coins, fruit juice, squash. Okay, squash and fruit juice. They are offering at a party these three kinds of drinks. They were offered to guests. Oh, this is colas, Nana. This
They
is
were
cola,
colas, sir.
cola. Okay, colas. What is the question? It's fourth of the guests. Let the number of guests be x, Amma.
X.
Let the number of guests be x. Okay, 1/4 of them drank colas. Means what, Nana?
1 by 4x.
X by 4.
X by,
X by 4. 1/3 drank squash.
x by 3 plus x
X by 3. 2/5 drank fruit juice.
plus 2 by 5x
2/5 drank fruit juice and 3 did not drink anything.
plus 3x.
Plus 3, that's all, 3. Plus 3. 3 guests did not drink anything and total will be equal to number of guests. This total will be equal to number of guests. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Now tell me,
we need to take LCM as 30.
how much?
30.
30 or 60?
60.
4 15s are 15x.
15x plus 20x plus plus
24x plus,
plus 180 is equals to x.
okay,
60
35.
35 plus 24.
35 plus 24, how much? 59.
59.
59 plus 180.
59.
59 plus 239.
Sir, 50.
Oh, sorry. We can't add them. Sorry. We can't add them.
59x plus 180 is equals to 60.
59x plus 180 is equal to 60x.
180 is equals to 60x minus 59. X is equals to 180.
Okay, x is equal to 180 guests were attending the function. 180 guests were attending the function. Okay, next. 17th question. 17th question, who is there? Rishikesh, you told her. Yeah, Rishikesh told. Nandika, are you there? Nandika? Hansika, are you there? Sujit, are you there? Sujit? Okay, Meghana.
Sir.
Sujit is there, right? A laborer is engaged for 20 days on the condition that Nana, one labor is there. He was asked to work for 20 days. A labor is asked to work for 20 days on the condition that uh, he will be paid. He will be paid 60 for each day. So number of days working is he worked his number of days X. And how many days he didn't work? Can you tell? Absent.
10.
Minus X.
20 minus x.
Absent. He was absent. Labor was present. A labor person. He is present for X days and absent for 20 minus X days. Whenever he worked, he got 60 rupees, and whenever he was absent, he got 5 rupees. Like that, totally he received 75 rupees. 75. He received 745 rupees. Can you tell the equation, Nana? Sujit,
Yes, sir.
60 into X
60 into x
plus
pl- uh, 5
5 into 20 minus X is
5 into 20 minus x by
equal to
is equal to
745.
7.
745. He works, he will be fined for 5 each day. He received, okay. So, okay, like this he got it. So, but here we should take minus now because it is minus. Why means it is deduction. This much amount will be deducted. 5 rupees will be deducted from his total, how much ever he is getting. Okay, so 5 rupees. So, how much, Nana? 60x
60x minus 100.
100 minus into minus
Plus 5x
is equal to
is equal to
745. 65x is equal to
5x is equal to
845.
x is equal to 845 by 65.
X is equal to how much, Nana? Can anyone say? 8 5 9 5 9 6 54. How much?
So 13. 13.
Huh?
13, sir.
13 days he worked. How many days absent, Sujit? 13 days he worked in 20 days. How many days absent?
20 minus
20 minus 13. So
yes, sir.
7 days
7 days he was
he was absent. So like this he got. Okay, next Meghana. Meghana, are you there?
She's not there, sir.
Meghana is not there.
I see him, but suddenly I think so she's disconnected.
Okay. Next, Vedant.
Yes, sir.
There are 180 multiple choice questions in a test. Total, there are 180 questions are there in a test. 180 questions. Okay. If candidate gets 4 for every correct answer, let correct answers be
X.
X. Wrong answers be
180 minus X.
180 minus X wrong answers. Okay. For every correct answer, the candidate will get 4 marks. And for every wrong question, he will be losing for every unattempted wrong 1 mark. Okay, like that, he got total how much? 450 marks.
450 marks.
Can you tell me the equation?
Sir, 4x plus
4 into x is 4x plus
1 into
no
80
plus minus no negative
minus 180 into minus x
is equal to
450.
tell us how to do
4x is minus 180 plus x is equal to 450.
4x plus 1x
5x is equal to 450 minus 180.
plus 180
5x is equal to 270.
630
Sir, how, sir?
minus will become plus no nana.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
X is equal to
630 by 5, x is equal to
126. He answered correct.
correctly.
Wrong how many?
180 minus 126.
How much is that? 54 wrong.
Wrong answers.
He answered 54 wrong and 126 correctly. Next, Rishikesh. No, Pravalika.
Yes, sir.
Pravalika question. Ravish has 3 boxes whose total weight. 3 boxes Ravish have A, B, C, whose total weight is 60.5 kg. 60.5 kg. Okay. Box B weighs 3.5 kg more than box A. If you think A as X, box B will be how much, Amma? 3.5 kg more than X. 3.5 kg more than A. box B, and box C weighs 1 by 3 kg more than B.
5 1 by 3 plus C 1.
1 by 3 more than B. B is how much?
C 1 by 2 plus.
Yeah. So again, I'm saying, see, if you imagine box A as X, he said box B as 3.5 kg more than A, and he said C as 1 by 3 more than B. B what we can take, Nana? B what we can take?
C 1 by 2.
1 by 2 plus X, and total is how much, Amma? 61 by 2. Can you tell Nana how to do this? X plus
X plus 5.
7 by 2 plus X plus
X.
3 5 are 15, 15 plus 1.
16 by 3
Keep saying.
plus
2 3 is
7 by 2 plus
keep
X
saying.
equal to 61 by 2.
121 X
120.
1 by 2. So what is the LCM for 232? 232. What is the LCM? 6. Tell 6x
6x plus 21
21 plus
plus 6x
6x. 3 2s are 2 into 16 32.
32.
2 3s are 3 7s are 21. 6x
Plus 6x
is equal to 121 by 2.
by
121 by 2. So 6 will go here. 6 will go here. 6x plus 6x 12x. 12x plus 6x is 18x. 18x plus 21 plus 32 how much, Amma? 53. 53 plus 21 74 is equal to 121 into 6 by 2. So 2 3s are. So how much now? Tell 18x plus 74 is equal to
equal.
363. Tell now 18x is how much?
18x is equal to 363 minus 74.
That is how much? 363 minus 74 is how much?
289, sir.
Yeah, very good. 18x is
18x
equal
is equal to 289. X is equal to 289 by 18.
18. Can anyone say what is 289 by 18?
16.05, sir.
Huh?
16.05.
16.0, na?
05, sir.
16 point. Okay, we'll put in fractions. We'll give it fractions. Will it go in fractions? No, it won't go in fractions. So let us, because numerator is more, let us put in mixed fraction. Let us put in mixed fraction. 18 ones are 18, nana. So 18 six are 108. So can you tell mixed fraction for this, Pravalika? 16.
1
1 by
1 by
18 kg is A box. Box A is 16 1 by 18 kg is box A. And box B, if you want, add 3 1 by 2. And box C, if you want, for this you add 5 1 by 2. Like that. Easy question only, but little bit in your fractions are important. That's it. Meghana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Very well done.
Sir, power cut, sir, so I got disconnected.
Meghana, tell me this question. 20th question. So 20th question is, the numerator is 3 less than denominator.
Denominator x.
Denominator you want to keep x. So numerator is 3 less than denominator.
X minus 3.
X minus 3. Very good. Numerator is 3 less than denominator. Then if denominator is increased by 5
X plus 5.
and numerator is increased by and numerator, one second, if denominator, if 3 is one second, increased and numerator is increased by 2,
X minus 3 plus 2.
x minus 3 plus 2, then the fraction will become 1 by 2.
Yes, sir. 1
Is
by
equal to
2.
1 by 2. Tell how much?
X minus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplication. 2 into x minus 1 is equal to x plus 5.
How much? X is equal to 7. Okay. So denominator is 7 and numerator is
7 minus 3, 4.
So what is the fraction?
4 by 7.
4 by 7 is the fraction. Next, Sujit.
Yes, sir.
Sujit, numerator and denominator. I am questioning again. In twice the numerator means what? Right? Twice the numerator. Twice the numerator. In a rational number, twice the numerator is 2 more than the denominator. See, Nana, twice the numerator is, see here, twice the numerator is 2 more than denominator. 2 more than denominator. So question is like this. Twice the numerator is 2 more than denominator. This is the question. So children, how we will write Nana? How we will write?
Sir,
2 more than denominator. If 3 is added to each. But I want both in single equation. How we will write children? I want both of them in single equation. Means in x only. Who will tell? Anyone? I want them in one variable. Anyone? One variable.
Sir, 2 plus 2x.
If numerator we assume as x, denominator is equal to 2x minus 2. Those who did not understand, again I am saying 2 times the numerator is 2 more than denominator is the condition he gave. I took numerator as x. Then denominator is 2x minus 2. Numerator I took x, then denominator is 2x minus 2. Okay, Sujit.
sir,
If 3 is added to both, to x also he added 3, to denominator also he added
x minus
3.
2 plus 3.
Then the fraction will become 2 by 3. Fraction will become 2 by 3. Tell me how much? How much? X plus 3 by
X plus 3 by 2x minus 1 is equal to
2 by 3.
2 minus 2 by
Cross
3.
multiplication 3x plus
3 into 3 plus 9.
4x
4
minus 2 to the 4x
2x plus 1, sir.
Why 2x plus 1?
Minus
Oh,
2
yeah,
plus 3, no,
yeah.
sir.
Plus 3 minus 2 is plus 1. Yeah. So here also 1. Yeah, tell. Sujit, this will come here, this will go here. How to do?
3x
9 minus 2.
9 minus 2 is equal to 4x minus 3x.
7 is equal to x. If numerator is 7, then what is denominator we took to x minus 2? 2 into 7 minus 2. Tell. 14 minus 2.
14 minus 2.
How much?
12.
So 7 by 12 is the original fraction. Original fraction is 7 by 12. Original fraction is 7 by 12. Like this. Okay. Next. Raghuram?
Yes, sir.
Question is, the distance between 2 points is 340 kilometers. The distance between 2 points is 340 kilometers. 340 kilometers. Okay. Two trains start simultaneously from these stations. One train is starting here and one train is starting here. Okay. Two trains starting this on parallel tracks to cross each other. The speeds of one of them is greater than that of the other by 5. If one is
One is
x,
x, other is x plus 5.
if other is x plus 5, if the distance between the two trains after 2 hours, this is traveling 2 hours, this is also traveling for 2 hours.
2 into x, 2 into x.
The distance between them after 2 hours, it came here. After 2 hours, it came here, and the distance between them is now 30 kilometers.
So
Can you tell how to do this one?
yes, sir. So 2 into x plus
So-
30 plus 2x plus.
No, distance traveled by
The
first
distance
train.
traveled by first train plus
Wait,
distance.
Raghuram will tell. Distance traveled by first train
First train plus
plus
30
30
kilometers plus distance traveled by second train
will
is
be equal to
40
340.
kilometers.
Okay, 1 second. So distance traveled by first train is this much. 30 is the gap. Distance traveled by second is this much. Total is 340. Tell now.
Yes, sir. D1 plus D2 is equals to 340, sir.
Huh?
340, sir, not 310.
Okay, 341. No. 30 came here. No.
Yes.
30 came here. No, that's why I kept 340. 1 second. Be online. 1 second. One second. Be online, children. Yeah, children. Tell. No, tell. Distance means speed into time. Distance is what?
Speed into time.
What is the speed of first train?
2 into x, sir.
2x plus distance traveled by second train?
2 into x plus 5 is
2
equal to
into x plus 5 is equal to
310.
310.
2x plus 10 is equals to 310. 4x plus 4x is equals to 300. X is equals to 300 by
75 km/h is the speed of first train.
first train.
What is the speed of second train?
80 km.
75 plus 5. 80 km/h is the speed of second train. Like this, we should do, children. Remaining sums we'll do tomorrow, children. Thank you so much, all of you. Just wait, children. Don't go away.